And let us take note. Do not go about telling people your dreams. It is a dangerous practice. Avoid it. Who do you meet in your dreams? The beings or people you see or meet in your dream are not using the dense body, just as you are also not using the dense body. They are using the desire body. And as we ever said, the desire world, where we go when we sleep, is populated by many beings, including animals, human beings, the dead, of course, they're also there, demons, elementals, angels, archangels, and so on. They are all in the desire world. The dead can make contact because you are in the desire world during sleep using identical body, which is the desire body. But we are not conscious. Neither do we know the laws there. We don't know the laws in the desire world and how to even conduct ourselves when we get there. In many cases, we try to apply what we know in the material world over there, and it doesn't work like that. To a very large extent, your interaction with people in your dreams is a function of the type of life you live on earth, your true nature. Your character and habits are potent factors because like attract likes. So if you are a bad person on earth, when you sleep, never think you will be with angels. It doesn't work like that. If you are a wicked person, sleep will not transform you into an angel. If you are a drunkard or the sensual type, sleep will not transform you into a saint. You are over there as you are over here, and your wicked actions or low desires may even vibrate more over there in the dreamland. The activities of wicked people in the spiritual world may even have more dangerous effects in the physical world. The question now is, should you rely on your dreams? It depends on you. You have the free will to take your dreams seriously or not. Nonetheless, from what we have said so far, it will be unwise to disregard all of your dreams. And why are we saying so? Because, among other things, some people in their spiritual development unfold their spiritual faculties first through dreams. That is how it works for some people. In other words, before the aspirant, before the spiritually minded person learns to voluntarily or consciously leave the body to become born again into the spiritual world, he or she may have worked for some time in the desired body during sleep. For some people, the desired body becomes organized first before the separation can be brought about in the vital body. Under such a condition, and we are referring to people whose desired bodies must first be organized before the separation can take place in the vital body. For such people, at the beginning, it is impossible for them to bring back dream consciousness or dream experiences. It's difficult for them at the beginning. But with time, it will be noticed that, and that is the first sign, all confused dreams will cease. They will stop. Your dreams will no longer be confused. Then, after a while, the dreams will become more vivid and perfectly logical. The aspirant or the spiritually minded person will dream of being in a place and with these people, whether known to him or her is not relevant, conducting himself or herself in a reasonable manner as if he were in the waking state. If the place dreamt of is accessible in waking hours, he or she may sometimes get proof of the reality of the dream if he or she will note some physical details of the scene and verify on waking up. The individual will next find that he or she can, during sleeping hours, visit any place desired upon the face of the earth and investigate it more thoroughly that if he or she had gone there in the dense body. Because in the desired body, the person has access to all places, regardless of locks and bars. If he or she persists, there will at last come a day when he or she has no need to wait for sleep to dissolve the connection between the bodies, but can consciously set himself free, set herself free. Let us talk about leaving the body consciously, which is initiation, or as captured in the Bible, born again.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.